76%? Bro. Yeah, you're tucking. That's crazy.
Every little bump is like...
You're gonna... Oh, man. You're really working today?
Brandon, bro, we never stop. Never stop, bro. Even though I have the day off officially,
Still working.
I still gotta catch up on shit, basically.
And he's working too. Oh God, Jesus Christ.
It's brand new.
This is gonna be a crazy weekend. You're working too?
Yeah.
Alright, we're still waiting for more people to pull up, but today is Cottage trip day. We are taking all the cars out for one last drive before we put them away for winter. Oh man. It's gonna be a fun little drive.
Hello. You want it in the front? I'll throw my backpack back here.
Cottage trip ready.
How do you see a sec?
Just give me a sec. I dapped up the camera.
Dap up the camera.
What's up? Okay,
Alright. This is gonna be sick. I'm gonna cruise up north. Okay. So far so good. Car is handling great. Temps are great. It's a fun drive. Oh my god.
What was that foot, Brandon? Holy shit. Cottage trip with
Yeah, like you can hear this guy. He's never been on a cottage trip before, so it's gonna be a fun time for him.
Bro, what size are these guys? What size are these? I didn't know we had a child in the fucking...
We made it. We unpacked all the bags. Fun little drive up. This thing is way too fast. I think everyone wants to go kayaking.
What's up, baby?
What's up? What's up?
No? Oh shit. They got put on bin.
What's wrong?
I wanna get my car out.
You wanna get your car out? Why?
I wanna go check out the roads. These guys are looking at kayaks and stuff.
Oh. You have to move this car.
We'll take the M2, bro.
This car.
We're just looking for life jackets, right? And,
My key? Okay.
So we're looking around. It's not in the shed. So you come around here, and we think it's in there. So go ahead and open that.
Oh. Bro!
I'm not going in there. You gotta close that door, bro.
What the?
We'll not go down there. I'm just
Nope.
They will not hurt you because they're not used to it.
Oh no, we're okay. We're okay.
They will not hurt you in any
Yeah, yeah,
way.
yeah.
They just want to be petted, loved.
Younger, my dad had a.
What's up, guys?
My dad, like my parents immigrated.
There's a damn leaf in there. Damn it. Oh, there's a leaf there. I'm gonna get that out.
When in doubt, jerk it out, man. Somebody's trying to fight you, jerk off.
I got it on camera.
You know?
It's too much evidence. Alright, if I open the top, Rex gonna sit on top of Hanson.
That's crazy. Yo, I'll just sit on Rex's lap.
Actually, no, it looks pretty good.
What's up, sir?
Okay, I can.
I didn't look at any of that.
Yeah, that's actually a good angle.
Alright, I'm gonna go sit in the car.
Sit in the car.
You guys are not coming back unless you guys get the fish.
Normally I fish.
No, I quit.
Okay. I'm going to quit.
You're going to quit? That's what they all tell me, man.
I have that on camera.
You wanna come? I don't think Hazel wants to come.
What the fuck? How did this happen, bro?
I have no idea. Enjoy, guys.
Yo, put that in the vlog. Put that in the vlog.
Two dudes doesn't matter. They might kiss.
It's got a kiss. What are you talking about?
Touch tips.
Hanson.
Huh? You just need directions to like the first route, the first leg of the route.
Sounds good. That needs to be changed to LEDs in my opinion. Woohoo! Let's hear this thing. Turn on! Turn on! That's loud. Have a safe drive. Miata. It's a big driveway to go back. That's true. You can do that too.
Probably should back in, right?
I would definitely recommend it. You guys need help?
Wait, is this a child life jacket? You gotta be safe, you know. All right, boys.
You're not busy.
We'll be back with dinner soon, man. Huh? All right, let's go.
We gotta salute them as they go out, bro.
You guys need help?
You might have to push.
Okay. Hanson, push.
We're pushing?
Get down.
I can't push that well.
Okay.
Don't so sketchy.
Alright, get in. Okay. Record me. I got it. Okay, ready?
Am I supposed to be
Is it already recording?
I think you
Yeah, it's already recording.
Are you sure?
I don't what? No. What?
I'm pretty sure he faces the other way, right?
Wait, this is a canoe or a kayak?
It's a canoe.
You're facing, it's supposed to face the same way. Like direction.
Okay.
Ready?
What's the worst
Ready?
that can happen?
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm letting you guys go.
You're falling, you can't swim.
You can't swim, bro.
No.
What the fuck are you doing on a boat? No.
You ready?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
This is a hella unstable canoe.
Okay. No wonder you want a full life jacket. This guy
canoe
can't
is
swim.
mad.
Where's your life jacket?
It's here.
Oh.
You can swim. He's good. He's good.
Alright.
Yeah, Nick is good.
How was that?
It
was not bad. It's not bad? Not bad. That's kind of sketchy though. Yeah, take over. Okay. That looks sketchy.
I feel like I'd be more stable facing the other way.
No.
How are you gonna paddle?
Yeah, how are you gonna paddle?
Paddle backwards.
Bro, you guys are not coming back on shore until you guys catch something.
Yeah, we're gonna catch them.
Get us our dinner.
Get our dinner, baby!
Nah, they're donezo, bro.
That's crazy. The salute goes crazy.
Sure.
Okay.
I don't want to go too far.
You're gonna get run over
Hell no, yeah, this is like...
This canoe is hella sauce.
Oh, be careful, hey. There's also planes on the water.
That's true.
You're right.
Sus as fuck.
You guys aren't coming back until you catch something.
Honestly,
No
it's just
cap.
'cause it's fucking cold, bro. If it was warm, I'd be okay with it. But it's fucking cold, dude.
That's crazy.
The next day.
Okay. All right, so it's the next day, guys. What's up? Welcome back. We're heading to a gas station because I actually need some gas before we go on this little cruise. So I'll catch you in a bit. Stay tuned. I'm excited for this. Yeah.
2 hours later.
driving, try to inject it all the way up to him, bro. Can't blow that shit. Car.
I'm actually stopping. All right, round two. Justin's tires are so small. Alright, well my camera died, so just to update you guys on my iPhone. This is such a beautiful spot that we found. Like, it's so nice. And we're taking some pictures. Look at that with the cars. It just looks so good. The sun is setting. What a day. What a weekend. And honestly, the car did so good. Like, I'm so happy with how it performed today. Alright. Sick. I think this is a good way to end the video. Oh man, that looks so good. Damn. It's such a beautiful spot.